you in a minute, Isaiah.
Hi, see ya.
Wait until Mommy's done filming. Here you go.
Biba. Beba, biba.
Good job, Simon.
Wow, you playing a song? He's looking at us to see if we're looking. Hi, Isaiah. Can you say hi? Can you say goodbye? Can you tell us a joke? Tell us a joke, Isaiah.
Maybe about itsy bitsy and teeny weeny.
Make you sneeze, Simon.
Don't play so much that he sneezes. That was funny. I don't know if I'd write home about it, but it was fun.
Ready for
What?
another bitter cold night?
Yep.
I'm talking about Dukes.
What else can you do?
My plan today is painting the bays.
Your plan today is painting?
Painting bays.
Isaiah was saying he was cutting some paper with the scissors.
Oh, I didn't know about it.
Uh,